Hello, it's me with my bottle of water again. Now you definitely will know that I am sleepy because I look sleepy. But most importantly, the football is back and it's gone. Yes, no club games this entire weekend, so ladies, you can take your man out till about 6:37. But don't forget, the international games are going on, so there is football. It's going to be quite boring because at the end of the day, there's not many games I'm looking forward to this weekend apart from the Croatia-England game, which will be played I think next Wednesday. A very interesting game because it was really rough the last time England played Croatia, and don't forget, Croatia dumped England out of Euro 2008. That was so humiliating for England, and unfortunately England, I mean, they've got the best best set of players in the world, but I don't know why they can never succeed as a team. You know, Steven Gerrard, Frank Lampard, Wayne Rooney, John Terry, fantastic players, just useless when they play together. But that's all going to change thanks to Fabio Capello, because I think his style of football is meant for this team. He is giving them something that team has not had in a long time, that structure. And I think that was shown in the game between Holland and England, when England were 2 goals down, and for the first time ever they came back and won they drew 2-2. So look out for England, but I'm telling you this, it's going to be a very rough game on Wednesday. Expect someone to get kicked, smashed, elbowed, his hair being pulled, someone pinching his other fellow's nose. That won't happen, but it's going to be a very interesting and rough game, and that's how football should be played. And my prediction is England to edge Croatia by 1 goal and 1 fellow to be sent off. Till the very next time, bye bye.